Innovative 8th generation energy-saving dual-purpose drying system for internal drum self-generating steam and external steam. Electric heating system reaches IP65 protection level. Can operate safely and efficiently in water. 3-way heat transfer. Capable of rapid heat transfer at lower temperatures. Quickly provide heat for the evaporation of material moisture. Condensed water and steam closed operation natural circulation, no need to add pure water. The drying temperature of this system is 60-150 C, which has the function of eliminating mold and conducive to long-term storage of materials. The hot air material is mixed and enters the inner cylinder of the dryer. The length of the drying tunnel reaches 8 meters, and the temperature rise of the material is small during the drying process without damaging the quality of the material. The drying time at low temperature is as long as 8 minutes to achieve high efficiency and energy-saving drying effect. After the material and hot and humid air pass through the unloader for material separation. After entering the secondary lifting and cooling link, the material reaches room temperature for packaging and storage. Equipped with a near-infrared online water measurement system that can automatically adjust the drying intensity according to the moisture content. Ensure that the moisture content of the material reaches the set moisture content after drying. It can maintain the stability of the moisture of the drying material under the environmental temperature difference between day and night.